In this problem walkthrough, we're told that in a recent poll, 38% of survey respondents said that if they only had one child, they would prefer the child to be a boy. You have a survey of 150 randomly selected students on your campus and find that 74 of them would prefer a boy. Well, we've got a fixed number of trials with 150. We have just two outcomes. The only child would be a boy, or it would not be a boy. We have, if we assume that's 38% or 0.38 is the probability of success, although that came from a poll as well. Suppose that it pretty accurately matches up with what we would see in the entire population. And then independence, that would be going along with the randomness. Okay, so before we get to finding that 74 of them would prefer a boy, 150 times 0.38 would give us a mean of 57. And before we're going too far, we want to see if this condition holds true. So we would multiply that by the probability of failure, 1 minus p, that should be 0.62. So I'm getting a very big variance here. 35.34. That is greater than or equal to 10. So it is legitimate to use the normal approximation here. And finally, the square root of the 35.34 is going to be your standard deviation. So let's find out what we're supposed to find the probability of. What would be the probability that 74 of them would prefer a boy? Okay, well, we're going to go with a continuity correction, half a unit left and half a unit right. In the normal approximation, we're going from 73.5 to 74.5. So again, with the continuity correction, 73.5 to 74.5. Get us a pretty picture here. Kind of a small sliver. Let's check with normal CDF. Going with in between 73.5 and 74.5. A mean of 57 and a square root of 35.34 for the standard deviation. So that would round down to 0.0011. Let me check my calculations. Oh, at least, no? Okay, they changed. Looks to me like they changed the wording. Seems like right here, they're saying exactly 74. Now they're talking about greater than or equal to 74. So in that case, first of all, the drawing, I should be going with that continuity correction, half unit left, 73.5. And then it's going to keep on going Now my window can only go as far right as 81. And I'm not going to take the time to explain how I came up with that. So let's see, 73.5 to 81. It's a little more appreciable, but still pretty small. With normal CDF, we're going all the way to the right of that 73.5. Aha. I think also I've got a typo there. Maybe not. $73.5. 10 to the 99. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, that's going to round up to 0.0028. See if I'm doing any better or if I'm missing anything else. There we go. All right. And pressing continue to see, does this contradict the poll? That number is less than 0.05. So we're dealing with something that is unusual. So yes, since we've got probability less than 0.05, the results are unusual, contradicting the poll. All right, that's all I've got for now. Hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one.